Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can update your email address for your Xbox account. This is super handy for keeping your account secure or just updating your contact details. So let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed in into your Xbox console. Once you're logged in, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Now use your controller to navigate to the Profile and System tab. Then select your profile. Then hit on Xbox Settings. Under Contact Preferences, scroll down. Here you can see your email address. You can simply change your email address and hit on Save. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address associated with your Xbox account. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is crucial for your security and for getting important notification from Xbox. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.